Yeah. It is, in a lot of ways, it's a developer first toolkit for folks, or it's a developer first opportunity for companies that are trying to figure out how to do this kind of like enterprise MCP in a little bit of a compliant way. If you are a SaaS company and you are getting serious about AI enabling your existing workflows, you have kind of two different options. You can either start to build up MCP servers. Like, not every enterprise has either the visionary leadership or the extra developer resources to go and start rewriting a bunch of their actual REST APIs as MCP servers. So that's one of the things, is like, we see this as that, we want to look at a way where a company could very quickly stand up, could basically very quickly AIify their SaaS offering using these nexuses that says like, hey, all right, we are Figma and we're going to expose our docs and a couple of capabilities around, designing out web pages into one server, one nexus, and light that up. So like every company anymore in the entire world is a tech company anymore, right? Like,
Sure.
everybody has HR systems, everyone has ERP systems, but not all those guys necessarily have the capability. Like, if you've built a little internal tool for HR management, you don't necessarily have the capabilities to relight that up with an MCP server, but you have all the same pressures the rest of us do, right? Everybody has the same pressure that we are all now expected to do way more with way less people. For the next 5 years, we'll be doing more with less people, and incredible pressure on that. And so being able, taking Traego and using it to light up your internal HRMS system that you had built 20 years ago for AI is a great example of who we think would actually use this. That's one of the capabilities, is that we basically, for each of the tools that we bring in, whether it be from an MCP server or from a REST server or whatever it is, we let you set the scopes that would actually trigger that tool to be displayed, so you can dynamically collapse it. And then we also have a model where you can run it in the progressive disclosure mode, where what we're going to do is we're only going to show one tool up front, and then you can interact with that tool to then get access to the rest of the tools over time. So we